Hey Boys and Girls Club, it's Amy, back with virtual programming for a couple of weeks. And so I wanted to do a really fun science experiment with you today. Kind of deals with the laws of physics and water, how water can sometimes hold objects that maybe aren't supposed to float. We're going to talk a little bit about surface tension. And surface tension is is liquid, and especially water's ability to hold things. I don't know if you know this, but some animals and some bugs can walk on water, and it's because they can go fast enough over the surface of water, or they can be light enough on the surface of water that it appears that they float. Surface tension is kind of like the skin of water, and so water can sometimes support weight. And today we're going to see if we can make a paperclip float. So the first things you're going to need are very simple items you probably already have in your home. The first thing would be paper clips. I am using small paper clips. I have 3 just in case. You're also going to need a square of toilet paper. And you're going to want to kind of rip that toilet paper square in half. You're only going to use a little bit of it. And then you're also going to need a container that you can put the water in. And you're going to need some kind of a pencil with an eraser, rubber eraser end. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I have filled a big glass bowl with some water. And I ripped a small piece of toilet paper, about the size of half of a dollar bill. So it looks like it's about 2 inches by 2 inches square. Okay, what I'm going to do first is drop this piece of toilet paper very gently on top of the water. Then I'm going to very carefully put paperclip on top. You see how paperclip is floating? I'm going to use the tip of my pencil to push down, and look, the paperclip is floating all by itself. Now, let's try it again without the paper. See what happens if we put a paperclip gently on top of the water. Oh, it falls right to the bottom, but you can see our other paperclip is still floating. I wonder why that is. Well, kids, surface tension. Okay, now it's time to experiment. 2 paperclips. Let's try this with 2 paperclips and see if the water tension is still able to hold the weight of the paperclips without the paperclips falling and sinking. We're gonna drop another piece of paper in there very quickly. And this time, 2, oh, didn't work. Guys, what happened? We use a thicker piece of toilet paper this time. Ready? Go. Okay, we got 2. Look, it worked. 2, it worked for a second. 2 paper clips floating, and then 1 fell. The other one is still moving. Check it out. There it is. Okay, so now we know 2 paper clips would float. It seems like the thicker toilet paper that held up on the water a little bit longer, so I was able to put 2 paper clips on the toilet paper without the toilet paper sinking. I think that that's the key, that if you can get the paper clips to sit on top of the toilet paper before you sink the toilet paper with your pencil, then you've got it. Try this at home. Let me know how it goes. So that was it. A super simple activity you can do at home. Amaze your friends. Mystify your relatives. The amazing floating paperclip. Okay guys, check this out. It's been 5 minutes. Take a look. The paperclip is still floating. Ta-da!